Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, we're going to make rice with shariya or shariye. So this is Helen More. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. You wanna know how? Let's go! So the ingredients, we need shariya, we need rice, we need 1 onion, and we need cooking oil. So first step, we're going to blend the onion, then preheat the pan, and then we're going to add cooking oil. And when it gets hot, we're going to add the shariya or the shariye in Kuwait. Then just mix it, continue stir it because the oil is so hot. Then add the onion that we blend. You have to stir it fast so that the shariya will not get burned. So when it's a little bit golden like this, we're going to add a hot water. So as you can see, it boils so fast. Then we're going to add salt, then after that we're going to add the rice, then let it get boiled. So if you see that it is less water, you have to add water. See, I add some cardamom or the hell powder, then mix. So now it's boiling, so still need time to get boiled. Our rice is not yet done. So this time we're going to check. So as you can see, our rice is done. So we're going to put it in the steamer. We're going to separate the water from the rice. Then we're going to put it back to the pan. Then put it on fire in a low one. Then just cover it and then put a little bit of cardamom powder or the hell at the top, then cover it, then wait for a few minutes, then your rice will get done. So let's see. So this time our rice with shariye is done. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. This is Helen More. God bless us all. Bye bye.